My name is Jake Blough. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Service Express, and I'm here today to talk to you about our OnDeck Predictive Sparing system and how that has an impact on your service experience. What OnDeck does is it makes sure that we have the right parts at the right time. Part of the magic of what we've built at Service Express over the past decade is that we have collected an enormous amount of standardized data. And so we can exploit machine learning techniques and we can exploit our database to be able to give us really good predictions. So instead of just reacting to things that have happened or trying to throw a dart at a dartboard and trying to hit the bullseye, our system is able to pick out all of the different places that are likely to have a failure before they actually happen. The biggest benefit for OnDeck for our customers is ease of mind. The customer doesn't have to worry about if we have the right parts or what parts are going to fail. What OnDeck does through predictive algorithms is it determines when something is going to fail, how it's going to fail, and we make sure that we have the right parts in that office to be able to service that account. They can sleep easy at night knowing that no matter what happens, we're going to have the parts and the skills to back up our service agreement. OnDeck is something that is only available at Service Express. We actually built the original version of this program in 2007. And then every year we've been continually updating it as new technologies and as new data sets became available. We're the only company that has a system like this. OnDeck is just one more way that we work smarter to give you the best service experience possible.